Alright guys, we're going over this big bridge. You can see the pool there. We have a couple of cruise ships in port. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 cruise ships in port there. I don't know if you can see it from here. Well, we are already up in the coast. As you can see, there is a boat going on a cruise. This is where you come out from Orlando from the airport. About 30 minutes, 35 minutes from the airport to the cruise ships terminal out here. So you can see all these are terminals. I'll tell you where to go. And if you look on my left, there are some cruise ships out there. We're gonna get up to that big bridge. You will see much better. You see we have exit 54, Terminal A, Part Premium Magic, and another cruise ship name. I don't know what that name is. But this is where you come. This is right out on the coast now, right out to the ocean. See, there's a cruise ship out there. I think that's Carnival. I think the other one name is MSC. And the one up in front, I think that is the Oasis of the Sea. And there's Disney. I think Disney too may be in port, I'm not certain. So that's where we come down and hunt on a Sunday sometimes, you know. We come across out here and we have some interest out here. That's why we're always out here. Alright, as you can see, some people doing kite flying, or yeah, there's kite flying, I think. So, and there is a cruise ships park up in the pool there. You have the terminals there. Alright guys, so we're gonna check with this person here, and then oh no, I come off. I should have turned off that thing here. Okay, right here. I gotta go check with somebody to collect some stuff from him, and then we don't know what we're gonna do next. Maybe we have something to eat, lunch or something. Alright guys. So I was just talking to my beautiful wife, telling her when you get old, it's not a nice thing, you know, because we're talking about a lot of people reach old age and how much people are suffering from dementia, and even people in the 50s. So I was asking my wife, what is a good time of your life? So I was telling her maybe when you're 18 to 50 is the best time of your life. But then I might be wrong. There's a lot of seniors out there who enjoy their life in the 60s and the 70s and traveling and dancing and going all over the world.
Bottom line is health.
So
you gotta have good health.
You know, so I might be wrong. So, but as people say out there, you know, old age is a bitch, you know. But it's all, you know, it all depends on your health and what life throws at you, you know. So with that said, guys, what you guys think? Let me know at what time, what's the best time in your life, at what age? 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s. I don't know about 70s, because 70s things start going down. Well, I don't think you could do everything what you want to do. A few people can do a 10k mile, a 10k run, or 20, you know, ride a 10k at 75. A few, you know, who's healthy. And not everybody's blessed with great health all the time, you know. So, you know, so that's it, man. Alright guys, we gotta go meet a guy here. He has some keys to me, so I gotta pick up his keys. So maybe have lunch somewhere out here, who knows. So alright guys. Alright guys, you can see me, gents. We're stopping at this nice Caribbean place. So that's just some steep, man.
What's the name of this place?
Lime 31.
Yeah, well, thank you very much.
Have a cold lager, some popcorns. 321 of them out here on the coast. So if you if you like West Indian. Right, please. Not bad, guys. Look at that, guys. It's a Caribbean base. Caribbean. Can't go wrong here, guys.
You are my girl. Yeah. I think that sugar's not bad, you know. Sometimes you gotta get the sweet stuff. Not too much.
Not too much sugar. Pumpkin. Alright, guys. You want to enjoy the Caribbean and feel a little bit of the Caribbean from the islands? You come to this place here, 321. It's right in Cape Canaveral. And you definitely feel the islands out here. You want to be a little part of the island, right, babes?
Sometimes sugar walker.
Yeah.
I don't know, I think it's owned by Trinidad.
Owned by Trinidad and
Sugar walker, right.
they got Rose, Carib, they
The
got.
rose cider is amazing.
Brown sugar.
As you can see, let me show the menu. So if you come down to Orlando,
Definitely check out.
it's right there by the cruise ships. But you can get Carib Lago, right? Or you get the Shandy Carib. You can get everything here, guys. You can get cider, you can get rosé, blood orange, pineapple, or you can go to the local heroes, which is the Pilsner or the IPAs, and you get the 4.7 alcohol, okay? It's a little more better than the, if you don't want too much alcohol. Alright, guys. And you can see I have my popcorn machine here. I eat all of that. I love popcorn.
That's a brewery.
It's a brewery. I love a brewery, but come down here, guys. On the sun is not bad. You always have a steel fan if you like steel fan music. I'll be enjoying it sometimes. You haven't come in a little while, but it's nice. Yeah, it's nice if you want to visit up there. All right. So, Pumpkin, would you recommend this place for people coming on the cruise?
Oh, yeah.
To the catch a cruise?
If you're coming and living from Cape Canaveral, definitely check this spot out. If you're good on the cruise.
On a cruise, yeah. But the day before,
Or even locals from Orlando.
locals coming from Orlando,
Or from London, yeah.
London,
Anywhere.
Caribbean
Wherever
people coming from the Caribbean.
Check it out. It's a nice place.
Yeah, the Caribbean, yeah, people coming down here, yeah. Not bad thing as well, as I said,
It's a nice way. You don't have food.
Nice big round bar.
There's no food.
Yeah, the only problem, there's no food, right?
Because it's a brewery, right?
It's a brewery, yeah.
There's no food. They give you popcorn free. Free popcorn.
Yeah, there's no food, yeah.
So we have to tell people that.
Guys, there's no food here, okay, when you come here.
Don't come here hungry.
Walk with your food. Bring a hot dog or something.
You know, if you want to come with your peanuts or hot
Bring a
dogs.
peanuts or some chips.
But they do give you popcorn. Unlimited
Yeah,
popcorn.
and the bar around there, you see. The bar goes round and round. Round and round. Hey guys, it's a one round bar. It's a universal bar.
Universal.
It's a universal bar. It's a universal bar. Hey guys. The only food this give you is this.
Lots of popcorn.
Lots of popcorn. If you like popcorn,
What the?
lots of popcorn if you like popcorn. So good. Butter popcorn.
Yeah, butter.
Butter popcorn. And you see the taps, we got the taps. Whatever you want to drink, we got IPA, Carib, all Carib. This is all Carib company.
They have different beers too.
All Carib and ciders. And there's a big freezer there that you can even buy a 6-pack and take home. Carib, you can do that. So, Shandy and all that. So,
And they take you for a tour too. Because
and they take you to a tour in the brewery. Let me show the brewery. There's one big brewery in there. Look. One big brewery in there, guys. That's a brewery in there. Look at that. You see? This is one big brewery. So you come down here, you get to see how you make the beers. that? All distributing the beers. It's one big universal bar for the Caribbean. It's all Caribbean. Very nice. Look at that place. And there is Miss Jennifer. And the band musician family. Alright guys, 10 golden steps, okay? Then we got the next steps is the green, the silo. We go into the silos here, okay? As you can see, it's a big silo at the back there. Then the millet. And then we got the mashing, the mash all that green. See that? And then we do the next is lautering. See that? And then we come down to the next stage, brewery. The brew the beers here, as you can see. There is a caramel shandy. See that? You see? And they have the Key West. There's a big brewery in the back there. There you got the cooling. We come down to the cooling. The hops off. And fermentation, it takes a little while to ferment. And then it goes down to conditioning. As you can see, one big conditioning. And then you have to filter that at the end of the stage to make it taste good. You know, you want to have a good beer. Then you know what's the next part? You package. So we get a package, and then the next stage is we're gonna lift off. Right, and then that's where we get our beers and our supermarket shows. All right, hey guys, I hope you guys learned something from me today. So I'm trying, okay? Here's my teacher. This is my teacher.
Surprise, surprise. Red, 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 so fine. All of the time. Red, 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 give me a holy passing. Holy passing, let me do the own thing.
Alright guys, we back in. my sandwich, you know, things like that, you know. So as you can see, we have music here. So let's go see. I'm shark. Shark. I like shark. I like shark. I love these sharks. Wonder of the sea. So let's see if we get a parking. It's always a parking is a problem here. All right. There is always a parking here is a problem. When you come here, parking is a problem. So let's see what's gonna happen if we can get a parking. Hi guys, we're here till this ship goes off. This is a massive ship, buddy. Wonders of the sea. I'm here with everyone here. This is what I do always on a Saturday weekends. Hang out, go places, alright? So let's get together and let's make it happen, alright? Enjoy your life. Life is short. You got a picture. I'm always here with you guys. Taking you all around this. Isaac Hayes, I gotta be Isaac Hayes. I don't care. Okay.
You ready, boys? You ready?
I'm No, there's gonna be Barry White. Barry White.
Can't get enough of your love, baby. Yeah, I don't know why. Can't get enough of your love, baby. Those things I think you used to. No matter how I try. Oh, you beautiful, I want. Baby, that's no lie. Till I say, what I'm gonna do, should I feel as you? How love is this? What you give to me? Is it echo pills? Baby, girl, you're sweet. All I know.
Hey, everybody love this music. Barry White. Barry White. Barry White.
Can't get enough of your love.
Guys, this is a capital
You
city.
need to go out there.
This is a capital city for cruise ships. So anytime you want to go anywhere in the Caribbean, this is the capital city. You gotta come down here, Cape Canaveral. It's more even bigger than Tampa. So then you go Tampa. Tampa is just one ship. You go to Cancun, Mexico. They're just going Mexico, Mexico. But this is going all over the Eastern Caribbean, Western Caribbean, and we got 5-6 ships right in port here. Everybody comes from north down here to Orlando, and they come down here if they like cruising. Look at this ship. And this is Carnival magic. Trust me. All right, guys. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at the ship size, guys. I'm gonna try to go out there and show you the size of the ship. Look at this ship size.
And they saw us. They were texting.
Alright guys, you're hanging with Mr. Big B today. Alright, so don't forget, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe to the videos, okay? Alright guys, and here's Mrs. B. Here is Mrs. B. Mrs. B, what do you want to say?
Having fun, having a good time, guys. Don't forget, we appreciate you subscribing, hit that like button, and keep the comments coming. Tell us what you want to know, anything.
Exactly.
Just ask us any questions, we'll answer.
Ask us any questions, I'll be out to answer you guys, okay? And there's a good band out there. Our favorite band. Yeah. What you want to say? Love you guys. Give us a peace. Peace and love. Yeah, my God. I'm gonna have a good time, man. It's all about a good time here, huh? Everybody have a good time when you come to the grills. Listen, guys, you come down to the grills, it's all about a good time. You want to party out here at the cave? This is the place to come to the grills, okay? Alright, guys.
I got all the riches, baby. I'm a man, baby.
Life to be the best. We enjoy yourself, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy yourself too. So having fun at 62, right? Otherwise, if you want to party with us, come and party with us. Yes, all you youngsters, follow us if you want to party with us.
Still be music left to right. What else could I do? I'm so inspired by you that hasn't happened for the longest time. 'Cause I thought my innocence was gone. Now I know that happiness goes on.
Okay, we gotta go down. So let's tell our friends we're gonna go up now. Listen guys, we love you guys, follow us, and we always will be follow us and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos, and we love you guys. We love everybody in the world. We love everybody in the world. Listen, peace and love to all of you guys in whatever country it is. If it's Russia, India, China, America, USA, Caribbean, India, Pakistan, whatever. I love everyone. I love all my religions. I love Muslim, Hindu, Christians. I love everybody, alright? Alright guys, so peace and love. I love you guys, follow us, alright? Love you guys. Yes. We love everybody. Orthodox, we love Orthodox, we love Jewish, we love everybody. Alright guys. Take care guys.
my baby. Oh, 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 oh. Ba, 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 ba. Wanna be today. Ba, 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 ba. I wanna be today.
Look at the sunset, guys. Look, we're going back to Central Florida. Look at that sunset. Wow, that is a nice sunset. Well, we're going up the hill. As you can see, we're going up the bridge. But look at that sunset. Look at that sunset. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful over the river. This is over the river, man. Look at that. Anyway, guys, I'm going all over the lane, so I'm gonna get out from this, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, alright? So peace and love to everybody in the world, and I love you guys, okay? Alright guys, take care guys, because I gotta drive back to home, okay? Alright.